Do you know how to use VALVOLINE AIRCO Cleaner? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Dayan and I have the answers. With the ignition on, turn off all heating and air conditioning controls. Switch off the ignition and remove the key. Identify where the Saloon heater intake is and if fitted, remove the pollen air filter. Attach the hose that comes with the AirCo Cleaner to the can. Now spray this cleaner into the heater intake until the bottle is empty. Wait for 30 minutes for the cleaner to do its job. Now restart the vehicle with the cooling system set on its lowest temperature setting and the fastest fan speed. Leave all doors open and leave vehicle running for 10 minutes. Warning: please note that you need sufficient extraction devices to ensure the exhaust fumes are taken away safely. For maximum safety, this operation can be completed in the fresh air outside.